Hi everybody, I'm RK Singh from ibharatsoftware. Today agenda of this meeting, I will explain ChatGPT introduction and multiple demo I will execute on ChatGPT. So let's begin. So it's introduction part. So basically ChatGPT, it's launched by OpenAI in November 2022. You can say it's a top of the OpenAI, it's a GPT third family of the large language models and fine-tuned. So basically, if you want to query or search anything, so you will not get any performance issue. ChatGPT was launched as a prototype on November 30th, 22 and quickly generated attention for the detailed response and articulated answer across the many domain of knowledge. So basically, ChatGPT is the release of ChatGPT OpenAI was valued near about it's a $29 billions. So let's quickly start a demo so that we can start using of ChatGPT. So let's begin a demo here. So first you have to open up whatever browser you have. So I have a Chrome. So let's open ChatGPT. So chat.openai.com. It's a URL. So simply have to type in any explorer and hit enter button. And now next step you have to sign up. So let's start the sign up. So my ID is it's iBharat. So basically, I'm logging with the Google it's accounts. So it's trying to log in. So you can say it's a chat page already started here. Sorry. So let's say some greeting words. Good morning. So let's see what is the response of ChatGPT. Okay, good morning. How can I help you? So let's start some basic question. Basically, we are expert in a database side. You can say it's a SQL server mainly. I worked and approximately I have a 15 years of experience in database side, MS SQL, along with a multiple database, but core experience in SQL Server. So let's begin asking a question in our database side so that we got to know how they are working. So let me ask some simple question. What is SQL Server? So let me ask this question to ChatGPT. Very simple question. And you can say it's started generating an answer. So just selecting those items, you can say it's started. So you can see they explained SQL Server is a relational database management systems, RDBMS, developed by the Microsoft. It's nice, and it's a use storing and retrieving a request of by the other application which can either on same computer or another computer across the including internet. So it's a good answer. Let me ask some different questions. Generate, I'm asking to create a e-commerce databases. Let me ask something. Generate a SQL, a script for e-commerce database, SQL database for SQL Server. Let me ask. Okay, so they are starting. You can see the database name is e-commerce. They started a script. You can see first table, customer table they created. And you can see it's a primary key identity column they are using. It's perfect. Next, they started creating a tables. It's a product table, and you can see product ID for primary key. Okay, next it's order table they started creating. And in this table, they are referring, it's a reference foreign key with a customer ID with a customer table. Next, order details. Okay, order ID and product ID. They created, and you can say order ID and product ID, they reference. It's a foreign key. So let's start. So basically, I have to copy this code. Let me try to execute inside SQL servers. So let me clear these script files. Okay. And let me paste your script. So let me first create a database. I'm trying to execute this. Okay. And then I'm just commenting this line and executing a complete create a script. Let me ask to create some simple data. Create simple. Insert simple data into above table. Basically, above session I'm asking. Insert or creator. Create or insert simple data in above tables. Let me ask this. What they're doing. Okay. Okay. Previous created a previous answers. So they have started creating, inserting a data into the customer table. You can see here. Okay. It's a product table. They're inserting a data. 3 record. They are starting writing, I think so. Okay. And order now they are creating. You can see here. Oh, whatever. I'm not able to see what is happening here. It's hanging or something they're doing. What happened? Stop generating. Let me stop generating. Okay. Let me ask same questions. Once again, I'm copying this question and simply I'm pasting here. Okay. Paste. Let me ask what's okay. Some conversation error. Something went wrong. It's a reloading a conversation. Okay. So they are getting some issue. So let me copy and paste. So it's an insert test statement. So simply I want insert data into it. So you can see here. So basically ChatGPT was generated some code for the e-commerce, and you can see it's a what table they are created. These are tables you can see here. If you want to check records here, so you have to go to select a statement, and you can see it's a 1, 2, 3, and something they generated here. So multiple recorded. They also inserted. Let me ask regenerator questions. So I think it's showing some issue. So I think we have to retry with a log. Let me retry. What is happening here? And same account, I'm trying once again. Mm, Create create database, generate e-commerce database. Create a generate a script, SQL script for e-commerce database. Let me ask this. Okay, he has started already. Okay, basically first they are dropping first. So let me copy and paste. You can see here, it's customer tier they're creating. And you can say it's a product table they started creating. Let me ask next question like a generator. Generate simple or generate slash insert data into your tables. Let me ask some questions. So they started inserting a data into here. You can see here. Okay. So they started generating a product table. They are started. You can see inserting started into generate like a product tables. Audit table they are generating now. So basically, let me copy this one because I think we already created a tables. So we have to try once again. Let me paste, execute it. It's some if exist SQL script they are creating. I don't know. So let me. Oh no. I have to use our databases because different database they are executing. So let me. Okay, this statement will not work. So let me try and let me drop myself. Hmm. Let me drop. Okay. My customer table is some reference. Okay, so let's try to execute this one. Okay, auto increments. Maybe different language they created, I think, so that's why it's not working. SQL script of e-commerce database. I think it's wrong. SQL script. SQL SQL server script for e-commerce databases. Use just scripts. Okay, so they started. You can say it's because auto number is not in a SQL server. So initially, They have created a in a SQL. It's a Oracle side. They created a script, but I have to execute this script in a SQL side. So you can see here, it's created. Audit items table they are started creating. Insert data into tables. Let me ask. Okay. So simply copy this code and try to execute in a sequence. Let me try once again. And you got to that way work. Let me ask. Yeah. Once again, I think inserted script they already started creating. You can say I asked to generate insertable table, insert data into a table. So they started inserting a data, simple data into above tables. Okay, other items table they started into more data. Okay, so they are created already. So let me copy and paste here. I think that should work here. Insert without any error. ChatGPT code executed successfully. Let me ask other questions. Generate, read, select, or select query for table table. So you can see they started creating a select a statement for the all the tables, whatever table we create in previous session. So you can say all above session are associated. It's created. So let me try to select. Okay, it's created. Let me copy, and you have to simply paste here, and you can see our data is coming here. Let me ask some different question. Delete, generate, delete, recount. Statements for for above all tables. Let me ask. So they are saying only one record, like already one. They are trying to execute only one records. I want generate a script to delete all data of above variables. Let me ask all the data. Okay, you can see here. First, they are checking up. Okay, you can see it's a perfectly fine. It's MS for each table. They are checking and dropping. No check constant. So they are saying, and after that, so getting. Let me copy and your query will execute smoothly here. Let me paste. Okay, what is happening? Okay, let me execute. Which option there? Option. Where is the option? Incorrect option. Where is option? Option. Check option. So basically, this is working. Okay. I think this is not required. Okay. So they deleted. If you can check, select a statement, no data, no job. You can check now. Sorry. And GPT, ChatGPT, GPT. Basically, we'll get a proper answer, proper script. So while asking a question, everything you have to mention. Otherwise, they will generate a different database, different script, and that will not run for your application. Welcome, and it's yeah. Thanks for watching.